What's up, everybody?
What's up, guys? So we are gonna be unboxing another mystery box because we know how much you guys loved the last one. We know how much you guys love having Jay in the videos.
Oh yeah.
So we got another mystery box, and I think the last time I had a ton of questions of how much are they, and I think these boxes, they have like Lowe's, Amazon, they have like the Target ones, which actually I think are a little cheaper, but this one and the Amazon one were $125, which I definitely think was a good price for everything we got. And then on top of that, if you guys use the code KSB15, you'll get 15% off, and it's free shipping. So it was coming out to $100 and like a couple of dollars. So let's see what we got in this box. It is a Lowe's box, and it is loaded.
Better stuff. We actually need these, believe it or not.
Oh, we do.
Zip ties? What are you thinking of?
I don't know. I thought Christmas came early. I'm just kidding.
That's not what I meant.
This box is actually really loaded.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's more of the Cheeto Puffs.
Keep away from our kids.
Oh my god, we probably should.
You can't. Wait.
Okay.
We'll get there. We'll get there. Okay.
I said I wanted one of these too.
We'll get there. We'll get there. Okay. Let's start. You went with this, so go.
Zip ties.
Zip ties. All right.
Zip tie stuff.
We actually need zip ties.
What do we need zip ties for?
This is zip tie stuff, right?
They're cable ties. To zip tie stuff.
Oh. We can use this for cable management.
A shaft dampener.
Where are we gonna stack them?
A shaft dampener. Ooh, nice. I've always wanted one of these.
You've always wanted one of these.
Next one we got is a 3-outlet power stake. Oh, this is gonna come so in handy for outside for the Christmas. This is legit. Oh, and you guys were wondering if the stuff worked. So the LED strip lights did work. There was only one faulty part of it, but other than that, they were good. We actually have them on the bed, like I had said, and they look super cool. And then the blender, I haven't had a chance to connect it because we completely ignored the fact of our beautiful background. We just started filming and like...
Oh yeah, I'll not explain what's going on back here.
Yeah, guys. Our gorgeous background. We're getting our kitchen did, guys, so stay tuned for that. Sadly, I'm not gonna have like a before and after of like the filming process, but I filmed a couple of clips here and there, so maybe I'll like, you know, throw them out on TikTok or something. So this one's cool. We're gonna put this one outside with our Christmas lights and a ton of the 90% off I got last year. Ooh, actually, this Lowe's box is pretty legit because we wanted one of these. Look, didn't your dad just buy one too? It's one of those motion sensor lights.
We could use this for our area right here.
Yeah, in the back. This is so awesome. I like it.
Yeah, this I like. This is cool.
Ooh. We got a dual head tire.
Oh, I've been needing one of these. Yeah, I can check my tire gauge with this.
Oh, I've always wanted one of these too. Oh, this one came broken.
I think a lot of these stuff in these boxes come like that. There's something wrong with. I mean, come on. At this point, why even put it in there? It's practically useless. I can't.
No, I think it broke in the box. Look. Oh, sir.
Oh well.
Can I see? I wonder if we can still pull it out. Oh, I've always wanted a measuring tape. I wonder if we could use any of this stuff first. Ooh!
Oh, I needed that.
Ooh, we could give this to someone for Christmas.
Or I can just use it. We were trying to open up a box just a little while ago.
It's a carpet knife. What do you need a carpet knife for?
Oh.
It looks cool. Carpet knife. What are you looking at right here?
I wish I knew what it was.
It's a 3-way shower divider.
Cool. What do you divide in the showers?
Right here, look at the picture. You see, look.
Okay. Second story nozzle kit.
We got some Christmas lights.
More?
Legit. Alright, so we got some Christmas lights. Hopefully they work. Can we plug them in? We can plug them in right here, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, ready guys? Moment of truth. Ta-da!
Cool.
And there was light. Well, they all work. Awesome. Christmas lights.
Right on time.
Christmas lights.
Okay, this we did need. And we talked about ordering.
Holy sh!
We talked about ordering one of these now. I literally just bought one of these not too long ago.
Careful, the keys are in there and they're like rattling. That's scary though. What if someone else has the spare key and they like sent us this box on purpose and we're gonna get like murdered? I don't know, just throwing that out there. Oh shit. Okay.
This is cool right here.
Quick and easy trim kit. What is this? What is that, baby? What are you gonna show me?
A light wall scone fitter. Didn't you say this was called?
Yes, this is what I want for the bathroom.
Uh-huh.
We could change the bathroom lights. That's awesome.
Uh-huh.
And the best part is it came with, came with 2 different ones.
Awesome.
Yay.
Right. I had already called dibs on this right here. Just FYI.
What is that? You're in a 3X?
Oh, is that the size?
It's heavy. What is this?
That's a rain suit. A full-blown rain suit. I just need the boots to go with it.
You know the last box was telling us to have a baby. This box is telling us to become like serial killers. This is what the guy wore from I Know What You Did Last Summer. Did you hear the seriousness in my tone?
Yeah. I was thinking more we could roleplay with that.
Roleplay with the zip ties?
Well, that's what I thought the theme was, but you got real dark with it.
Alright guys, that was the theme of this.
Look, a messed up doorknob. I can wear this. Come in with the zip ties.
Oh, we got the knife.
With the carpet knife.
We got some Christmas
Whatever
lights.
this is.
Let's see. Oh, dope. Dope.
Heater? Fan?
I'm surprised you really can't tell what it is. It's a... Oh.
Can you tell what it is?
I thought it was...
I'm surprised you can't tell what this is, guys.
I thought it was a shower head.
Oh, you know what?
It's a drain, right?
For our kitchen.
For our kitchen? That's ugly. That's too big.
It'll go somewhere right here.
That's too big. It's for the bathtub. Well, we want to get the bathtub done, right? There we go. One piece down.
Are you serious?
That would have looked cool in Chris's bathroom when he was doing it.
Don't wear those boxes, okay? Go with some other theme.
Well, actually, I thought this box was pretty cool.
It's really cool.
How cool! A Construction Master 5 calculator. So, so cool. Wow, I think they must have used it.
And they returned it, like, when? No way.
They knew I needed one to start showing my breakdowns.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, this one doesn't work, but... No, it does work. Oh, well, not really. It has a black smudge.
Alright.
This one was fun to unbox, though. Definitely still some really good items.
Our kids are going to benefit from this one.
What's that?
It's a porch swing chain set. But now I can hook up another swing set for Dana and Darius. And Mia.
Swing chain.
Does that make sense?
Sort of.
At least I think that's what it is.
Oh. Alright, is that it?
Okay, let's get the ones that we've shown already out.
There was like a bunch of little stuff.
We got this out.
This box had a lot more. I definitely like the Christmas lights.
This out.
Definitely that outdoor light, the outlet.
A locking receptacle. What's up, Thor? Yeah, that's it.
What do you want this?
Don't take it out.
Why?
It's gonna be hard to put back in.
Is it really a ring too?
Yeah, it's a full blown rain so you don't flip.
This is so cute. Oversized is like the new trend anyways. Oh, fuck. Can't breathe.
Use that extra button.
Big head problems.
Oh my god, and it matches with your brand new calculator.
Maybe.
Awesome, I love it. You got a pocket over here somewhere? There you go. Come nice and handy.
Hey, this is sad because this is a 3X.
It doesn't match. If they would have sent this in yellow, that would have been really, really cool.
This is so cute. I am actually going to rock this, but I won't.
I know you would. I won't bet that. I know you will. Here you go. That'll go right there.
Wait, what do I need all that stuff for?
You ready to work?
This isn't a workers. This is just a raincoat, isn't it?
Well, no, it's a rain suit for when you're out working in the rain.
Oh.
Who the heck dresses like this to go out?
Running in the rain.
Yes.
Alright, guys. It's gonna be the end of us unboxing this Lowe's box.
Gonna do it for this one?
I liked it. I really liked it.
I think it's more of the thrill of what's in the box, you know? Like, what are we gonna find?
There was goodies. Like, I know we can use that shower head thing. He doesn't know what it is, but that's because Jay's not handy. I mean, neither am I, but... I'm pretty sure if Chris would have been here to unbox this, he would have been all excited. We could use this for the shower. And then the Christmas lights, the outdoor lights, the light thingy, that other thingy.
Yeah.
This thingy. These.
I got excited for these.
Alrighty guys, that's going to be the end of this video. We are going to head out and go to bed. Bye guys.